Hey everybody, Brandon here with Eclipse Marine Group, coming to you today from Clemson Marina. Behind me, a Lund 1775 Adventure. Let's take a quick look at this boat. This particular 1775 Adventure we have equipped with the 115 Mercury Pro XS. This is the non-carpeted version with the vinyl floor that we have here. You'll see that there are two captain's chairs in here. You've got room for two more bases here at the bottom. You also have jump seats here on the rear deck, so if you need to put up to 6 people inside the cockpit that you can. This is the sport model, so we have the full walk-through windshield. You can of course also get this in a side console. We have the Minn Kota power drive with iPilot here on the front. Also have a Helix 7 graph right up at the helm. We're going to take this one out for a spin today and see how this boat performs, see what we can get done. The whole shot on this Pro XS is nice and smooth on this boat. Very little bow rise, takes off clean, good acceleration. The 115 Pro XS is an extremely fuel efficient motor with plenty of power to push this 1775 for any water sports. You can get this boat with a ski pylon and also a Bimini for shade. You'll notice here with the design of this boat, the deep V cuts through the water nicely with no trim, and then if you trim the motor up a little bit here, you can get this boat on top of the water for a nice smooth ride. The deep V design of this boat will allow a smooth ride on any water conditions, giving you the confidence to take on whatever the weather and water might bring on any given day out there on the lake. Fishability is good too. With the water low back here, they've got a bunch of bait pinned back here in this corner. Yeah. Biggins. If you're looking for a great boat that has plenty of capacity for taking family or friends or pets, also has great fishability and can handle a wide variety of water conditions, give the Lund 1775 Adventure a look. Contact us at Eclipse Marine for more information.